Hey guys, so I'm Miss Roth, for those of you who don't know me, and I'm going to be Miss K's student teacher for fourth quarter. So I wanted to introduce myself to those of you who don't know me and say hello again to those of you who do know me. I put together a little PowerPoint just for you guys to get to know me, and yeah, I miss you guys and hope you're all doing well at home. Yeah, so my full name is Chelsea Roth, but you guys can call me Miss Roth, or some of you have permission to call me Miss Chelsea. That's fine. Okay, so I'm from Naperville, Illinois, just like Miss K. We grew up down the street from each other, but didn't know each other. I went to the rival high school of Waubonsee. You guys probably don't know that, but you know, it's a suburb of Chicago, nothing fancy. I go to UW-Madison. I'm studying elementary and special education, qualified up to eighth grade. So you guys are the top of my degree. Um, and I love the Badgers, love football, grown up a Badger, so totally love it. Some fun facts about me. I am the high school dance team coach here in Verona. My favorite food is chips and salsa. I could eat probably the entire bag and the entire jar of salsa. I have two brothers in the top corner. Those are my two brothers and my two dogs, Sandy and Shadow. And then my favorite color is green. As you could tell, I have a green sweatshirt on and a green wall behind me. I'm 22, hopefully going to be 23 soon, at the end of this year. Just finished watching the show Jack Ryan. It's a great show on Amazon Prime. And I live in Madison now, and I love it, and it feels really good to be back in Wisconsin because I was born here, and yeah, so I really love it here and hope to stay next year when I start fully teaching. My side job is I work at David's Bridal, which is like a dress store, so it's really fun, and I like it, so yeah. So you're probably wondering, why am I here? What am I doing? So I am a student teacher and I'm helping Miss K with whatever she needs, and I'm here for you guys. I'll be teaching you some of your lessons. I have already given you feedback on Google Classroom a little bit, but I just wanted to introduce myself and for you guys to see who I am, and so that you don't think there's somebody random just commenting on your stuff. But yeah, so that's why I'm here. And most importantly, I'm here for you guys, and I'm also here to learn myself. So if you ever need anything, just email me with questions, concerns, and I really look forward to this last quarter with you guys, even if it is online, which really bums me out, but there's nothing we can do about it. Here's my email if you guys ever need anything, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. So have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.